Hi everyone，你好 ，Welcome to Smart Mandarin。我是 Maggie，你好吗？This is what we believe the best way for learning Mandarin. Last time I left some questions for you. Now let's check together. She loves me too. 她也爱我。他也爱我。He loves me too. 他也爱我。I love my elder sister and elder brother. 我爱我的哥哥和姐姐。我爱我的哥哥和姐姐。Session 13. I love my family. 我爱我家。我爱我家。Let's look at the two function words we have learned and how they work with the pronouns. 你 you, 我 I or me, 他 he, she, it, him, and her. 你我他你的我的他的你们我们他们你们的我们的他们的。New words. 爷爷 grandpa 爷爷奶奶 granny 奶奶妹妹 younger sister 妹妹家 family or home 家叫 to call or be called equivalent to name is 叫我叫 Maggie. My name is Maggie. 朋友 friend or friends. 朋友老师 teacher. Literally means senior or old master. 老 means old, also means senior. 师 is master. 老师工程师 engineer literally means engineering master. 工程师Now let's create more words. We learned 家 family, home. 人 is a person, so 家人 is a family member. 爱人 I love, so 爱人 is spouse or lover. 家人爱人 Now I'd like you to look at two characters. 爷爷 grandpa. Do you remember how to say that? 爸爸 so 爸 In these two characters, they share the same radical on the top. This radical itself is also a character, is 父 父 Let's look at this picture. It's like a father's mustache, is a father. That's how we write it. 一、二、三、四 The other one is 家 home or family. On this character, there are two parts. The top one is 1, 2, 3. This is a radical of roof with chimney. And the bottom one is called 屎, is pig or swine. This is how we write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This character is not very frequently used, so forget it. However, it's so important for you to remember the radical for animals. And this is how we write it. 1, 2, 3. The other character I like you to look at is 有. We just learned 朋友, friend 有. And this character is I, love. Let's see the bottom side. Is that the same as 有? This is how we write it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 有, friend. Now, let's work together how to say these sentences. This is my mother's friend. 这是我妈妈的朋友。这是我妈妈的朋友。This is my grandpa. 这是我的爷爷。这是我的爷爷。His name is Dan. 他叫丹。他叫丹。He is an engineer. 他是工程师。So we don't use articles in Chinese. 他是工程师。I love my grandpa and grandma. 我爱我的爷爷和奶奶。我爱我的爷爷和奶奶。I love my family. 我爱我家。You may notice that we omitted the here. Generally speaking, if the relationship is obvious, then we don't use it. 我爱我家。My family and I, or I do something with my family. In Chinese, we will use the same pattern. Is 我和我的家人。我和我的家人。Well done you. 谢谢。再见。If you like our video, please press the like button and subscribe. See you next time.